This is a kitchen which we are about to hand over in ATS 1 Hamlet, Noida, Greater Noida. We've used a combination of German acrylic along with glass shutters, and this is a drawer pantry which we have used. This is a drawer pantry. These are the it's a combination of veneer shutters and German acrylic shutters, and these are the premium veneered shutters what we have used. This is a crockery unit, and these are the inbuilts by Hassel, and that's a dish rack. And that's a dish rack what we have. This is by Hassel. So it's a compact kitchen, a kitchen which combines living room all together. This is the overall look. We have provided end-to-end right from the top lights to the breakfast counter, which is an extended island. All the inner text, these are all Legra boxes. These are all Legra boxes what we have used. Now we'll showcase you one by one all the fittings. This is a glass pantry. That's a corner with pie to make the most efficient space utilization for the corner. These are the normal shutters. The top we have used, these are all push to open. This is a crockery unit cum storage unit, tall unit. These are all Legra drawers which gives ample space. It's a complete handleless profile what we have used, and we have used a combination of black profile, and shutters are it's a sort of a pinkish and cappuccino beige. For the countertop we have used quartz Caesar stone. It's a Caesar stone which resembles sun and sand quartz shade. This is deco S corner, in which it's a soft close S corner, which brings all together, the complete look. It's all soft close. This is a normal bottle pull out. This is an extended counter, the breakfast counter. This is a section for picker baskets which is covered. Usually it's not covered, but we have installed a vent over there. This is a vent. These are all multiple drawers for storage. Then we have extensive storage on the top. These are all operated by push to open. So it gives a complete handleless feel. That's a wash area. This is a vegetable wash. That's a separate washing area. This is attic dish rack. That's a dishwasher. Overall, it looks a beautiful kitchen, and it's a compact, and these are two hidden shutters which we have given to cover up the chimney pipe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.